Hey Dad, it's -4 degrees. I almost ran my car into a metal sign because I was drifting so bad, but I'm okay.
Let's check the damage.
Dude, literally an inch over and I would have totaled it. We would have died.
I hope.
Oh, you do it.
No.
Hey doll, do you need a ride? Come on, baby, get in. Come on, get in. Wait, Delilah.
What?
Come here. I can't go that way because there's a ditch, and I can't go any farther because there's power lines. I think we're
cooked.
okay.
We made
So
it out.
we can go. I'm gonna get stuck in this gravel. Oh my god, dude, we're not making it.